Are you striving for that perfect 90 out of 90 score on the Pearson test of English? Despite all your hard work, do your scores seem stuck? The answer might lie in a surprising yet powerful strategy, the 30-70 rule. This rule could be a game changer in your preparation, ensuring you study effectively and efficiently. This will help you to get top scores. Hey everyone, my name is Komal and welcome back to Rise PTE. In this tutorial, we will break down the 30-70 rule and show you how to use it to reach your dream score. Before I begin, may I request you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Let's decode the mystery. So first of all, we will understand what is the 30-70 rule. The 30-70 rule is a powerful strategic approach to PTE preparation. You should spend 30% of your time learning new concepts. This portion refers to English grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and fluency. You just focus on absorbing information passively. Okay? Next is spend 70% time practicing and applying those concepts. This includes speaking, writing, mock tests, and solving exercises. The large part focuses on mastering the test format, knowing the score system, time management, and applying specific techniques tailored to maximize scores. This balance helps ensure you are not just gaining knowledge, but also developing the skills needed to perform under exam conditions. All right, now we will understand why the 30-70 rule works. So, active learning involves engaging with the material activity rather than passively consuming information. Simply understanding concepts isn't enough. You need to apply them. Practicing 70% of the time helps reinforce your learning and keeps information fresh in your mind. Reflect on mistakes and correct them. Next is how to build exam confidence. When you practice consistently, you get used to exam-like conditions. This improves your ability to handle the pressure and boosts your confidence on test day. It also develops fluency and accuracy through trial and error. By balancing theory, which is 30%, with consistent, active practice is 70%. The 30-70 rule helps you not only learn the material, but also feel equipped to handle the PTE exam with confidence. Practice helps you learn how to apply strategies in real scenarios, ensuring you can tackle any type of questions the PTE throws at you. We'll understand how to implement the 30-70 rule. Number one step is divide the study time. Plan your study time accordingly. I'll give you an example. Let's say if you have 10 hours per week, okay? So you should spend 3 hours learning new material and 7 hours on practice. Step number 2 is focus on key areas, which is identify your strengths and weaknesses in the 4 PTE sections. Number 1 is speaking, number 2 is writing, number 3 is reading, and last is listening. We will go through with these sections one by one, okay? So in speaking section, what you should do, record yourself answering speaking tasks like describe image or retell lecture. Practice pronunciation, intonation, and fluency using feedback tools, okay? Second is writing. Write essays and summaries using templates. Focus on grammar, coherence, and proper use of vocabulary, okay? In reading section, solve multiple choice questions, order paragraphs, and fill in the blanks. Develop strategies to find answers quickly and accurately. Last section is listening. Listening to audio clips and complete tasks like highlight correct summary and fill in the blanks. Develop strategies to find answers quickly and accurately. Allocate time based on what you need to improve most. Okay? Now we will see applying the 30-70 rule to each PTE section. So in speaking section, you should apply 30% of learning. Focus on techniques for tasks like read aloud, repeat sentence, and describe image. Understanding scoring for fluency, pronunciation, and content. Learn templates for described image and retell lecture. And 70% you should devote to practice. Do timed exercises to simulate the real tests. Record yourself for tasks like read aloud or repeat sentences. Focus on maintaining fluency without hesitations. Next is writing. So in writing section, you should spend 30% in learning. Understand the structure and strategies for writing essays and summaries. Understand the task type. Summarize written text and write essay. Study the scoring criteria, which is grammar, vocabulary, and task fulfillment. 70% should be in practice. Write essays and summaries and seek feedback. Write summaries from a sample text, ensuring they're under 75 words. Okay? Practice completing essays and summaries within the allotted time. Let's look at the next section, which is reading. So in 30% learning, master strategies like skimming, scanning, and context clues, identifying keywords and contextual clues for fill in the blanks. In 70% practice, you should work on reading passages and fill in the blanks exercises. Time yourself to improve reading speed. Practice full reading sections with a timer. Practice with explanations to reinforce strategies. Number 4 is listening. So in listening section, 30% learning should be effective note-taking and listening strategies. Understand task types, summarize spoken text, multiple choice, fill in the blanks, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation. Okay? In 70% practice, practice with listening tasks and focus on capturing key details. Listen to audio recordings and complete tasks. Transcribe sentences accurately while maintaining speed. Complete listening tasks with a timer. Review mistakes and reattempt tasks to improve accuracy. Okay, now we will understand why tracking is important. Okay, so monitoring your progress helps ensure the 30-70 rule is working for you. This can be in your notebook or in an Excel sheet if you want. Note your scores on improvement in each section. Check if you are meeting the 30-70 ratio. Look at your performance in practice tests or mock tests. Identify areas of improvement and redefine your plan. Second is adjust your plan. If a section is still challenging, add more practice time. If you notice weak areas may be struggling with essay writing, so dedicate more time to that task, but maintain the 30-70 balance. Use feedback to modify your practice approach. The 30-70 rule is your key to working smarter, not just harder. By balancing learning with practice, you will build the skill and confidence to achieve that perfect 90 out of 90. Put the strategy into action, stay consistent, and watch your scores soar. If you have any questions or want more tips, feel free to ask. Good luck with your PT preparation. Bye.